Oh my gosh, it's so windy out there. I managed to get me out of my gloves, as you can see. I'm hiding behind a wall now. Hang on. It's so windy. Unbelievable, that. Anyway, crack on, Chris! Okay, I'm up by the quarry now, as you can see just there. An interesting fact about this is that a lot of the stone that you see in Trafalgar Square came from this quarry. Interesting fact, I think you'll find. Oh my gosh, I'm back in the car now. That really took it out of me. That was so windy up there. I was fighting it all the way, apart from going up the hill. And I was pushed up the hill. That was amazing. Me and the dog are back in the car now, getting home. Don't know what we're going to do today. It's not a big day today for us, so don't expect too much from this Vlogmas Day 18. I think we're going to wrap some presents. Val and Norman are coming round tonight. That'll be nice. And yeah, we'll have to see what else the day brings. Bye. See you in a bit. See you in two. Back in the car now. I'm going seeing a lovely lady called Helen. She's had a very tough year. She lost her husband this year, which is very sad. But every now and again, I get her a bit of shopping, and you know, from some of the places that I visit. So I take it to her, and that's what I'm going to do today. I just hope she's in. She's lovely. Okay, that's Helen done now. I stopped and had a right nice chat with her. Yeah, I think she misses her, well, I'm sure she does miss her husband. You know, I think they were married for a very long time, so I stayed and had a chat with her. Yeah, I don't think life's particularly easy for her. Anyway, going back home now. Jobs to do. What else have I got to do? We've got visitors coming this afternoon. Tonight. So I need to get ready for that. I've got the joiner at Harry's house, so I need to sort him out. Yeah, lots happening over this festive period. Well, we've got a bit of spare time, so we've decided to clean the fish tank.
Have we?
Well, Nicola's cleaned the fish tank. I did help, I promise.
Surprising what we do.
Yeah, he's looking nice. And there's the fish tank all done. Doesn't it look great? Love it. She says I need to get some nibbles. What's that all about? Anyway, I need some cream as well. I've got to see if the cream will last till after Christmas. If not, I can't buy it today. Here we go. The cream aisle. Need my bloody glasses for this. 24th of December. Can't do it. Can't buy it.